Where the heck? What kind of LED did you put in there? Are they mysterious? Like these freaking like weird LEDs that you don't want to tell anyone because you got them illegally?
Can you leave this in the background?
Oh yeah, for sure.
You're the saddest bunch I ever met, but you can bet before we're through, Mister, I'll make a man out of you. Tranquil as a forest, but on fire within. Once you find your center, you are sure to win. You're a spineless, pale, pathetic lot, and you haven't got a clue. Somehow I'll make a man out of you. I'm never gonna catch my breath. Say goodbye to those who knew me.
Boy, was I a fool in school for a cutting gym.
This guy's got him scared to death.
Hope he doesn't see right through me.
Now I really wish that I knew how to swim. We must be swift as the coursing